Creating charts from spreadsheets. We've already done some charts, and we did it with columns that were right next to each other. To be able to select data that is in different spaces on a spreadsheet, you would click the heading of the column and the data, and then you hold down Control to move over to another column. So say we want to compare 2 different weeks, and we want it by the employee's last name. I could go over to week 4 and select this one, as long as I've held Control, and then I go up to my chart and I create a chart. We're going to edit this chart, and we're going to edit it by giving it some names, clicking on different places of it, and by using customize area to change charts. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click on this area. This is one way to edit it, and we're going to call this compare 2 weeks. We are also going to go in, and we're going to say change our font and change the text color. So we've done all of this to the title. We can do it to the axes also. So I'm going to say the horizontal axis, which is the one that goes across like a row, and it's down here at the bottom. It says last name. So maybe we want to make that wider. Maybe we want to make it the same color as the title, or maybe we want it in a different color. We can actually have a custom color if we want it. Now let's go to the vertical axis, which is the one that goes up and down, and we don't have anything here. There's nothing here. So it's like a column. It goes up and down. Let's put in what is over there. Over there is total sales or weekly sales. Again, we can change the font, and we could pick a color. And maybe we need to bold this one. I'm going to close this chart axis and area, and I'm going to go into series. Down, you're going to see where it says data labels. When I click this, automatically the actual amounts for each data point goes in. So that's a good thing. Series. There's 2 different ways I could get to the series. I could simply click on one of these, and you'll notice that every one of them is outlined and a color comes up. So I'm going to change my colors, and you can customize colors. So you could make the slider go, find something that you really like, go into a color that's you, and you can change your whole grid to look differently. If I didn't click on it, I could go into the section that says series, and it's going to ask me, do I want to do all series, or do I want to do a specific series? So now maybe I want to change the dark blue one, and maybe I'm going to go in and I'm going to do another custom color. And this time maybe I'm going to do something in the fuchsias or in the, Now, whether you're using a spreadsheet in our class or for our project and our budget, you have a little idea of some of the things you can do. Or if you're going to use a spreadsheet and create graphs for other classes, hopefully this will help.